So this is honey beans. You can use soybeans as well. Soak it for 3 hours or so until it is tender. Then this is a parboiled rice. You can use any other rice. Then I have the rice that I soaked for overnight for like 12 hours, 8 to 10 hours or so, the 12 rice. And so I will put everything, the beans, rice, raw rice, the parboiled rice, and I blend it in a blender. Then I will pour it in a container. I will make sure I leave a space, a container that will have a space so that in case if it rises, it won't run over. So I leave it overnight till the next morning. So in the next morning, I found out that it's a little bit runny, like watery. The consistency is a little bit lighter. So I added a little bit of flour. Then this is kanwa. It's called natron, or we also call it potash. So it's also used for making masa. I added my onions, chopped onions. Then I added some sugar and I added a little bit of salt. Now my batter is ready. The consistency is okay for me. Then I added the oil into the egg poach, and now I pour my batter in. I will leave it for 3 to 4 minutes depending on the flame. When I see the sides start getting done, then I know that it's time to flip over to the other side. As you can see, it's getting cooked. So I flip it over, then leave the other side again for 2 to 3 minutes depending on the flame. Then I will now allow it to be done. When I'm sure it's done, I will just pack everything to the plate or to the container that I will use to save my waina. Be aware that waina can stay for like a week in a fridge, so you can rewarm it. Then at the end of everything, this is my smooth and nice looking masa that is free of yeast, free of yogurt, free of baking powder or any other thing. This is the traditional way of doing waina. As you can see, it is looking soft, it's looking fresh and floppy. Look at it, so beautiful. Thank you for watching.